Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. As we can see the price correcting here. You want to see this one can tend to a correction for one more drop or not, and how we can trade it. Because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned that when the price, we were expecting the price to attack 27, then reverse. This is what we can see. Now we want to see whether there is another opportunity the price to attack. Then from there either can break or reverse. Okay. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this move. Okay, what we have here is already corrective, but we cannot analyze. I mean, we don't see. The only thing is we want to see how deep this one can be before we get the next move. In this case, we move to lower time frame and see how we can trade it. If we move to forward chart, okay, as we can see based on forward chart, the only things right now we're looking at this. We want to see how complex this correction can be before we get the next move. And the best thing is if we get a one more drop. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can tag and break or there is a reversal. Okay. Now the thing is we only focus on this correction. In this case, we move to the 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, either this one or even become deeper, maybe we can put in relative to each other for one more drop. If we get one more drop and reversal, we can look for buy, because at that times we were looking at this correction. But if the price reverse from here, the only times we can look for buy will be the breakout of the top, then any correction above there. We can look for, and with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. Because if the price give us one more drop, then we can look for this correction. That's mean, may I put this way? Because at that time we can confirm this is what we have and this is what we get. I mean, because at that time we will have expanding. Even right now, we can put this one in relative to this one for expanding. That's why either the price reverse from here or if we get one more drop is better. Okay, because right now we have the expanding flat and we were looking for the buy. Okay, but why we prefer to get one more drop? Because the possibility if we get one more drop, maybe the price can drop sharply and tag this 27. Then at that time we cannot look at the correction as expanding. We need to look entire structure differently. Okay, by the way, we're just looking for buy. We want to see whether we get any. If we get any drop with the breakout of this low, any reversal, we can look for buy. But if there is a continuation, the price tag this one, we need to look at the chart again. And if the price reverse from here with the breakout of this top, we can look for buy. Still, we will have this expanding. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we want to see how we can trade it. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.